Alright guys, in today's video I have some new tires. I have a more scale tread pattern that's actually a lot flatter of a profile instead of the rounded ag tires, which I hate. These also have foams in them, which will hopefully help with it developing flat spots, but these have already gotten on there. They shake like crazy. So I got some original Tamiya Bruiser rims, and now all we have to do is get them mounted up. These tires are austar, I don't even know how to pronounce that, austar hobby tires. I believe these are the 2" by 2". So 2x2 austar. Looks like they may have warped a little bit in transit, but hopefully that will kind of work out now that I've taken them out of the bag. They were pretty squished in there, plus they really crammed it in the mailbox instead of, putting it in the package box like a normal person would do. But we're talking about the postal service here. It doesn't have to be done right, it just has to get there. Alright, well, I'll get the tripod out. Let's see if we can get some of these wheels shoved in there. First, I want to drill a hole in here to let the air out. Just like on here, there's a hole drilled in the rim so they don't build pressure, or even when you go to glue them on, if you're holding it down when it's glued on and you go to release, it's going to stay that way because now you have a vacuum inside. So it's important to have air that's able to escape your rim on your RC rig. So let's get those holes drilled. Alright guys, first off I want to apologize for the fan noise. It is excruciatingly hot in this garage in Texas. Obviously, it's always hot here, and so just please try to ignore it. First off, what I want to do is I need to drill the relief holes in these wheels, so I'm going to move the tires out of the way so I can do that. And I figure I don't really want it to be too far back. I'm going to put it in the middle of one of these panels, probably this one right here, that looks like they kind of messed up on the chrome. So it won't really matter if there's a hole here. I'm thinking one hole's going to be enough, but I may put two. I have not yet decided. Try to find which panel is the worst panel. Not like it really matters, it's going to be inside of a tire, but it's just how I roll. Why drill a hole in the best one, right? Pretty sure these just have the one hole in them, but it does kind of open up really quick. You know what? Why not? Let's put two in each. So I want them to be able to deflate quickly. So we're going to put two holes. I'm going to put them 180 degrees apart from one another. What I really want to do is I just want to stretch them on there for now. I'm not even going to glue them on yet. I just kind of want to get them kind of back in shape. So I'm going to stretch them on there, get them seated, and then let it sit overnight before I run the glue around it, because they have been in that bag a long time. Looks like this rim's the same on both sides, so just start with one end and work it through. I may have to put some Windex down in here for glass cleaner. Just regular glass cleaner. It'll kind of help it settle down in that groove. So you can hear, these two holes may not have been enough. I may have to do 4. It's still able to build a lot of pressure, and that is not what I want. Alright, I'm going to finish up mounting these off camera, and then I'll show you the final product. Man, oh man, that thing looks mean now. I love that tread. It turns out they actually sit a little bit higher than the stock ones. Side-by-side comparison. They are just a little bit bigger. Gosh, those are ugly. Alright. Man, look at that. The actual Tamiya rims are quite a bit shinier than the Hg-p407. These type of tires are the type of tires that look best covered in dirt. So I'm going to have to get this thing dirty. They're only going to look better the muddier they are. And just as a comparison, Old Boring and blam! Look at that. That is ready to run your face over. You know what this means? It means I need to make another trail driving video. This thing's going to do a lot better with these tires. I'm going to wait until I get the guards on the KCs. I'm going to button up a couple more things before taking her out on the trail. But I will have that video out as soon as I can get it shot. One last look. Amber lights. Red running lights. Alright, let me know what you think of the tires. Let me know what you think of the truck in general. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.